In this video, we'll show you how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. OpenIV is essential for installing mods in GTA 5, but remember that you cannot use it for GTA Online or you risk your account to be banned. Alright, first, to download OpenIV, you can go to the official OpenIV website here, OpenIV.com. I'll put the link in the description. Here, you can click download now, and the download should start immediately. And once the download is complete, you can open up the setup file, right click, and hit open. Here, you can select English and then click continue. OpenIV will prepare some necessary files, and after that, read through the terms and condition and click accept here, and then click continue again. And then you can choose install location. You can leave it as default here and click continue. You'll be asked to download some necessary files. It's 20 megabytes. Just select yes and the installation will start. Once the installation is done, you can close the setup. Now you can open up OpenIV and then select GTA 5, and here it'll ask you to find your GTA 5 directory. If you don't know where, here's how you can find it. On Epic Games, you go to library and then look for your GTA 5 right here and click these three dots, go to manage, and on installation tab, you can click this folder icon to open your GTA 5 directory. Now on Steam, it's the same thing. You go to library and then on your GTA 5, you can right click, manage, and browse local files. Once you find your GTA 5 directory, you can copy the path by double clicking here and then right click and select copy. Now go back to OpenIV, click browse and paste the path you just copied here. After that, you can click select folder. Now if you put the correct path, it'll say this message and then you can click continue. Now on OpenIV, to make sure it's working properly, hover up here and click tools and then select ASI manager. What you're gonna do here is install the ASI files. To do it, just click install. Now if you find this pop-up, make sure you check allow edit mode only for archive inside mods folder, so you're not messing with GTA 5 folder, and it's easier to uninstall the mods. Now that's it, you have installed OpenIV and it's ready to use to mod your GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.